What is a bushfire? This is a question that might have crossed your mind. A bushfire is a fire that rages through areas of bushland. These fires, a type of wildfire, unpredictably blaze through wild vegetation such as woodland, scrubland, grassland, or savannas. They are particularly common in regions experiencing hot, dry weather like Australia, Greece, Africa, and parts of the USA, such as California. So, what ignites these bushfires? There is a myriad of culprits. Nature can spark them when lightning strikes dry plants and trees. However, human activities can also be the cause, such as when a campfire is not properly extinguished. Alarmingly, some fires are ignited deliberately. While climate change does not ignite bushfires, it exacerbates their scale and ferocity. With our warming planet facing more intense drought periods, vegetation dries out, providing ample fuel for these fires. All it takes is a spark. Surprisingly, bushfires are part of an important natural cycle that's been around for hundreds of millions of years. They can kill harmful insects and diseases, returning nutrients to the soil by burning dead or decaying debris. They also create space for new growth and allow for more sunlight to reach the ground, which in turn becomes a valuable food source and a new habitat for animals and birds. Some plant species have even adapted to use fire for survival. For instance, the bottlebrush plants in Australia produce a hard, woody fruit containing hundreds of tiny seeds that are only released in the presence of fire. Controlled fires are sometimes deliberately started to manage wild areas. These are carefully planned and monitored to ensure safety, helping to prevent bushfires by clearing potential fuel in a controlled manner. However, bushfires become dangerous when they grow out of control and encroach on communities, burning through buildings and producing harmful smoke. Windy weather conditions can fan the flames, causing the fire to spread more rapidly. There are ways to stay safe during a bushfire, such as planning an escape route and keeping an emergency bag packed. Firefighters, government officials, and ordinary men and women work tirelessly to learn how to better prevent and control bushfires. For those concerned about bushfires, there are several ways to help those affected. Consider raising money for a charity or creating educational posters about bushfire safety. Living in an eco-friendly manner is also crucial, as climate change intensifies bushfires. Leaving shallow dishes of cool water in shaded spots for thirsty wildlife can also be a significant help. Remember, every action counts in preventing and mitigating the effects of bushfires. Your contribution can make a difference.